So at this point, I'm just putting some fuel in the carby, and I don't have a funnel, but if I put that fuel in there and blow on here, it'll push it up through to the carby instead of the pump. Right, that'll do for our test. So that's got, yep, you can see the vapour. So you've got fuel to the carburetor. We've got a new battery. Now this will be the first crank over. So what I'm watching for is any smoke that we might see from the electrics. That's the starter motor. So what I want to hear when I press the right buttons is that starter motor cranking the motor over. So, all right, fingers crossed. I'm a bit nervous about this. It's running sweet. You can see it's probably, I don't know whether that's just crud that's been up there, oil and stuff, because the manifold's starting to get hot. You can see she's puffing out a little bit of, just a bit. Fuel, and I can't get round in time to give it a bit of throttle. Okay, good news is it's back in. Thanks to Ty. Ty's a young bloke that lives up the road. He came down and spent an hour with me just getting it that last little bit in on the for the gearbox and the engine to meet up. She's running like a dream. The motor's good. I can't complain about anything. Not doing anything to the motor. I drove it out here, let it run for a while to try and blow the exhaust pipe out. All that oil out of the exhaust. It's slowly getting there. It'll be a bit of running to get to that point though. What I've done today, you can see I put, they're just sitting there at the moment, the chassis rail timbers. All the boards have been numbered right through, and I'm slowly taking them off, and I'll put them in order, clean them up. 90% of them I'll reuse. I don't want to waste the the character that's there